2025 Prelim Catholic High School Paper 2 Question 4. Figure 1 is a triangle with perimeter of 39 cm. Each side of the triangle has a different design. Figure 2 is made up of 5 such triangles. The perimeter of Figure 2 is 87 cm. What is the length of ST in Figure 1? Now let's name the side of the triangle. Let's call this A, it's B, is C. Alright, so the side of the star is B, side of the moon is A, star is B, moon A, B, and this is C. Alright, now we know the perimeter of Figure 1, which is A plus B plus C, is 39. Okay. Figure 2, 3A plus 3B plus C is equals to 87. Right, since we have 3A and 3B in equation 2, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. Alright, so times 3 by both sides. We're going to get 3A plus 3B plus 3C. That will give us 117. Okay, this will be our equation 1. So let's take equation 1 minus equation 2. Right? So 3A plus 3B plus 3C minus equation 2, which is 3A plus 3B plus C, is equals to 117 minus 87. Okay, now let's open up the bracket. 3A plus 3B plus 3C minus, remember when you minus and multiply in the bracket, you have to change the sign. Okay, so minus 3A minus 3B minus C is equals to 30. Mm-hmm. 3A can cancel out, 3B will cancel out. So we're left with 2C is equals to 30. So C is equals to 15. Now what are we looking for? The length of ST. ST is C is 15. Okay, this is what we found. So our answer is 15 centimeter.